In this video, I'll show you how to see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So there is no inbuilt feature to know how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. So for that we need to add an extension on our browser in order to see how many hours we have played. So for that, open new tab on your browser and search here RoPro and click on this RoPro extension link. Once you tap on it, this window will open. Here we need to click on add to Chrome, and on this window click on add extension, and this extension will be added on your Google Chrome. Once you add it, go back to your Roblox page and refresh it. So for that I'll simply reload my page here, and now on this window you will see this new option which is verify RoPro user. Firstly we need to verify our account, then we'll be able to see our hours. So for that I'll tap on it, then click on verify your Roblox account in game. Now it will ask you to provide emoji verification code. So to get this code, we need to have Roblox player installed in our computer. If you already have Roblox player in your computer, then you will receive a emoji verification code on your Roblox account, then paste it here. So in my case, I haven't already installed Roblox player. So to install it, I just need to tap on get code on Roblox user. Now on this window, we need to tap on this play icon. Once you tap on it, it will show you download link of Roblox player. We need to download it. So I just need to tap on download and install, and it will start downloading Roblox player in your computer. Click on the downloaded file and install the Roblox player in your computer. Once you install it, open it and sign in here with your Roblox account. Now go back to Roblox website and tap on this play icon. Now this window will open. Here we need to click on open Roblox client. Then it will open Roblox client for you. Now here we need to click on generate verification code, and there you go, this is my verification code. I need to copy it by simply dragging left click on my mouse, press Ctrl C on your keyboard, go back to Roblox website and paste the code here, and there you go, I have successfully verified my RoPro account. And now we just need to access how many hours we have played. So in order to do that, we just need to tap on this RoPro icon which is on top right corner. Once you tap on it, it will show you RoPro extension settings. Here we need to enable one setting which is experience playtime tracking, which is by default enable. So we need to make sure that it is enabled. Now go back to Roblox and play any game which you want, but remember one thing, that you will be only able to see your playtime while you are playing games on roblox.com and you have enabled RoPro extension on your computer. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.